Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the transformations. This command serves for executing operations like translating, rotations, scaling and mirroring on 3D elements, being a construction, a body, whatever. This is very basic and very easy to understand. This is one of the commands that we've been using a lot already. So creating a simple cube, and we can find this command in this 3D model menu, group additional, this function here. Okay. Simply, when we select one element, we can choose from all of these transformations icons here. But we can choose one element, or we should choose one element. And then we can simply, for example, for translating, choosing this arrow, and you see a transformation is done on the X that was chosen. Or we can rotate, okay, or we can apply other things. We can move it around here in the plan. We can do a lot of things besides, for sure, also scaling and doing a mirroring if we say which work plan or mirror plan we want. One of the advantages of this is that we can, instead of having values, we can connect these to variables and introduces some more parameterization on the system. But basically, the transformations we have are these, okay? At this moment, we connect this element to these transformations. And this is basic, so instead of being too much worried about the topic of transformations, you know that every time you click in one object or you introduce an object, you have these draggers in your screen, so you can introduce this topic. So it is basic. I don't think there is much more to talk about. So if you need any extra help under this topic, let us know, and we will be around to make you support about this.